I remember the day when one of my colleagues had told me one thing. You know, before starting anything, you should at least have a clarity in your mind. You should first write it on paper and see that you have thoroughly understood that and then start working on it. At that time, I haven't get interested in that part, but now it's very critical part of my life. Before starting anything or doing anything, you should have a clarity in your mind. If there is no clarity, then you might be thinking what happened. See, when you start something and you don't have clarity of how it works or how should it be working, then in between you start to have impatient about it. You don't know how to proceed, you don't know how to get through it because you still have doubts in your mind and you are still in the progress. In that case, what happens is you lost your interest in that part, and which is not good for you and not good for others as well. So the point I am going to tell is that clarity in life is a very big deal, and this concept is also highlighted in high performance habits book, high performance habits, and it's a very life changing book as well. You can see a lot of concepts in it, and it is one of them. So whenever you start something, have thoroughly understood it, have clarity on that part, and then start working on it. Because I have already told them that without clarity, there is a known thing that will be in picture right now. You start to stuck in the process in between. You feel not interested in doing that thing. You feel awkward of doing the things. So start working on things. Have clarity in your life. Have clarity whatever you do in your life, and see the results yourself.